We're going to start this song by finding a B with our left hand. To find the B, look for 3 black notes in a row, and the B is the white note directly to the right of that. The B that we want is the 3rd one up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. Okay, we're going to start with that with the pinky on our left hand. The pinky is also known as finger 5, the thumb is finger 1, and then we have the fingers in between, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we're going to start with finger 5 on the B, and then we're going to play F sharp with finger 2 and a higher B with finger 1. So we have 5, 2, 1. B, F sharp, B. From there, we're going to take our right hand and play a D with finger 1. Notice that that's 1 white note away from that B that we're finishing on in the left hand. And then we're going to play an F sharp with finger 2, a B with finger 4, and a D with finger 5. So we have B, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, B, D. Finger 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5. From there, we're going to come back down to the B, F sharp, D. So we have B, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, B, D, B, F sharp, D, and then B with the left hand, finger 1, F sharp with finger 2. Okay, so again, B, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, B, D, and back down, B, F sharp, D, B, F sharp. From there, it's going to go back to the B in the left hand, but we're going to add something in the right hand. Let's do that one more time. Finger 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2. And then we're going to resolve on the B with finger 5 here. Now when we play the B with finger 5, the right hand is going to play this F sharp up here with finger 5. So we have from there it gets a little trickier for 2 reasons. One, the left hand is going to have to take over some of the right hand's part because the right hand is going to be busy doing something else. And 2, there are some polyrhythms that are going to be going on here. We're going to have a situation where the right hand is playing 2 notes to every 3 notes of the left hand. That's a little bit tricky. It's actually very tricky, but I'll try to show you a way to do that that is not too hard. So starting from the beginning, we have okay, and then the left hand is going to come back up to the F sharp and the B. But now instead of the right hand coming to that D, because we need it to be holding down that F sharp, the left hand is going to cross over with finger 2 and play that D. So it's like this. Cross over with finger 2, and then to the F sharp with finger 1, and then again cross over with number 2 to play this B. So we have fingers 5, 2, 1, crossover 2, 1, crossover again, 2. From the beginning. Now let's just focus on the left hand for a second. From that new part where it crosses over, we have this. From there, it's going to go all the way back to an E here. Not the E right next to the B, but 1 octave lower. And we're going to play E with finger 5, G with finger 4, B with finger 2, E with finger 1. So we have E, G, B, E with fingers 5, 4, 2, and 1. From that B, And now from this E, we're going to go to a G with finger 1 and then cross over to the B with finger 2. So from that E, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, cross over 2. From the beginning. Notice I released the F sharp in the right hand when I played the E. The right hand is going to be doing something else during this part. Now, while the left hand is playing the E, G, B, E, G, B, the right hand is going to be playing B with finger 1, C sharp with finger 2, D with finger 3, and E with finger 4. So again, B, C sharp, D, E. Finger 1, 2, 3, 4. So that whole right hand part is F sharp, hold, B, C sharp, D, E. And it is going to go to the F sharp again after that, but we're going to hold off on that for just a bit. Each of these parts is pretty easy. The left hand, E, G, B, E, G, B. And the right hand, B, C sharp, D, E. But when you put them together, it's quite difficult. The reason is because in the left hand, we're doing triples. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 notes. And in the right hand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 notes. So we have to fit 6 notes in the left hand in the same time frame that we're fitting in 4 notes in the right hand. So how do we do that? We're going to play the E and the B both at the same time. And then we're going to hold the B while playing the G. Right? So we have... Now after we play that G, we're going to switch to the C sharp with finger 2 without playing anything else in the left hand. So we have... So we have E with the B, then the G, then we play the C sharp, then the B by itself in the left hand, and then when we go to the E, we play the D at the same time. So we have E and B, G by itself, C sharp by itself, B by itself, E and D together. Again. And then remember we play that G by itself. So we have... And then we play the E by itself. And then cross over and play that B. So you're going to want to probably practice this part a lot to make sure you get that timing right. So let me do it again nice and slow. And a little quicker. And from there, the right hand is going to play the F sharp again with finger 5, while the left hand goes back to this low B. Let's do it from when the right hand comes in with the F sharp, nice and slow. And a little faster. From here, the B and the F sharp again, the left hand is again going to go to F sharp, B, D, F sharp, and B, just like before. But we are going to add in an extra note in the right hand this time. So we have... And right before we play this B, between the F sharp and the B, we're going to play a D with finger 2 with our right hand. So it looks like this. And then the left hand is going to go up to the D, where the right hand was a second ago, while the right hand plays an F sharp. So it's like this. Again. And from there, the left hand is going to come down, B, F sharp, D, B, F sharp. So it looks like this from the D, finger 1, 2, 4, D, B, F sharp, and again an octave lower, D, B, F sharp, with fingers 1, 2, and 4. So from here, and we are going to slip in one more right hand note as the left hand is coming down here. The right hand is going to play a D right between this B and the F sharp. So let's do that part again. Okay, notice how I slipped in that D that time. Let's do it from the beginning. And then again, the left hand goes to that B while the right hand goes back to the F sharp. And again, the left hand is going to come up the same way from there. B, F sharp, B, cross over with finger 2 to the D, F sharp with finger 1, and B with finger 2. This time, though, instead of playing the D, as the left hand is coming up, the right hand is going to play a B instead. So it's going to look like this. Notice how the right hand hits the B first, followed by the left hand hitting the B. From there, the left hand is going to go to a G sharp, and then to a B and an F with fingers 4, 2, and 1. So 4 on the G sharp, 2 on the B, 1 on the F. So the left hand looks like this. And then from there, the left hand is going to play G, B, and E with fingers 5, 3, and 1. And then F sharp and A sharp with fingers 4 and 2. And we're going to resolve on the B for today. So let me do that whole left hand part. Okay, let's add in the right hand with that new left hand part. It's very similar to that off-time polyrhythm that we did earlier, but actually only the first half of it has the polyrhythm, because the rhythm in the left hand changes from triples here to right in time with the time signature. So it's 1, 2, 3, but then it's only 1, 2. So before there were 6 notes that had to be fit in with 4, now there's only 5 that have to be fit in with 4, and the last 2 are in the same time as the last 2 in the right hand. So there's only one note that's a little tricky this time. So let's just go over that part. First of all, let's just do the right hand there. So remember, we're coming from an F sharp, and then it goes to a B this time, and then we're going to go D, B, G, D, B with fingers 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. So again, the right hand is F sharp to B to D, B, G, D, B. Now with the left hand, the F sharp comes here, And remember, we play the B right before the right hand plays the B. And then when the left hand goes to the G sharp, the right hand goes to that D. The left hand then plays the B. Right after the B, the right hand plays the B. And then the left hand plays that F. Let's just do the part starting from the G sharp and the D. We have. Okay, so again. And then we play the G together with that chord in the left hand, the G, B, E, followed by the D with the F sharp and A sharp in the left hand, and then they both go to the B. So again, we have. From the F sharp and the B there. Again. Okay, now I'm going to add some pedal. You could use your discretion here. This song wasn't originally written for piano. I'm basically going to press down the pedal just about every measure and any time that it feels right.